another aisle too, girls, I think.
Okay, focus. Looking for tubinuts. No?
Over, girls.
None of these? There's another aisle if it's not here. No?
It's not here. I see it's not here, Mom.
It's not here?
No.
Not here?
Come over here.
No.
Okay.
Let's go over one more aisle.
Okay, let's try this out, girls. Come over here.
Let's look on this aisle.
Tubinuts. Tubinuts.
Oh, candy.
Yeah, focus.
We're looking for
We're looking for
candy.
tubinuts. Nothing?
No.
Okay.
Maybe we just have to get the iPad.
No, we're looking. You're supposed to show us what they are, honey.
Tubinuts is like this big.
It's small. It's small.
Small.
Kind of small. Does it actually have a nut in it, or is it just chocolate? Is it chocolate?
No, it's candy.
It's
Candy.
You
so
want to look on the
it's
next
not-
candy
Where's the
aisle?
candy part?
There might be one more row, girls. Let's see. Oh, here's some more over here. Oh, here's another row over here.
Oh, we're tubinuts. Where's that car?
Yeah. Nothing?
You guys don't see the tubinuts anywhere?
Oh,
What's that? Peanut butter cups?
yeah.
Is that a tubinut?
No.
Oh.
I want to see what the tubinuts are, though.
Let's read this. Let's read this.
Well, actually, let's look for a big package of that if we're going to bake those things.
We're not going to bake them. I just told you.
Oh, yeah, you
We're
were
just
just
showing.
showing me. Okay, we're still looking.
Tubinuts, huh?
Keep going, Rosie.
That's a bag of M&M's.
Okay,
You're
go
right, Marie.
down the row. See if you see it. Anything?
Do they look like these? Do they look
No.
like these?
Oh,
They know their stuff.
it's all the marshmallow.
You want to go look in the nut aisle?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's go look in the
Okay,
aisle
let's
and
go.
see if they're over